There's one ad format that has the highest impact in mobile advertising: interstitial ads. They're powerful, can drive serious revenue, but only when placed smartly. Let's explore what they are, where they work best, and how to optimize them. Interstitial ads are full-screen ads that appear at natural breaks in your app's flow, like between game levels or after completing a task. They can be static, video, or rich media, and because they take up the entire screen, they demand users' full attention. This makes interstitials one of the most effective formats for advertisers and a big source of revenue for publishers. Interstitials don't work well with all app formats, but they work really well with gaming apps. More specifically, casual and hyper-casual games where clear pauses exist between levels or gameplay sessions. They also work really well for task-based apps like quizzes, fitness trackers, or productivity tools where there's a natural completion movement. And for content apps that can introduce interstitials between article loads or video content. If your app has defined breaks in user flow, interstitial ads can seamlessly fit in without frustrating users. A great interstitial strategy is all about timing and frequency. Here's what you should do. Respect natural pauses. Never interrupt the gameplay or scrolling. Always wait for the break. Don't overdo it. Too many interstitials leads to user churns. Keep the frequency balanced. Cap the frequency. Limit how often the same user sees an interstitial within a session. Next up is picking the right mediation platforms. Google AdNob, AppLovin Max, Iron Source, and Unity Level Play all support interstitial demand and optimization. And lastly, preload interstitials to ensure the ad shows instantly when triggered. No blank screens, no delays. A/B testing helps you figure out things like when is the right time to show them, in the end of every level, or between 2 or more game levels. Will your audience enjoy them once in a session or multiple times? Which format works best for your app? Static or video interstitials? A/B test to evaluate which ad network will fetch you the best fill rate and eCPM. Without testing, you're basically guessing. And since interstitials impact both UX and revenue, guessing can be expensive. Here's the bottom line. Interstitials fetch the highest CPMs for publishers. They can deliver significantly higher revenue compared to banners, but come with the risk of user drop-off if misused. The sweet spot is using interstitials as high-value touchpoints and not as constant interruptions. To sum it up, interstitial ads are a proven way to boost in-app revenue, but success lies in timing, testing, and moderation. For more insights on app monetization and for more ad strategies, follow Ilma and stay tuned. See you in the next one.